Nigga, play with top gonna make the noise. I'm trying to see what you wanna do, but I can't right now. Bro. Oh. I'ma let that go. I'ma let that.
Don't. I don't even have I don't have anything to say. Like, I am literally speechless.
What the are you doing, dude? What idiot, eh? Bikers, man. You don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
You can't pass me on the right. Really, nigga?
Yeah, because you came out.
You can't pass me on the right going straight. You cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay. You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were here.
There is no this side or that side.
This
is one lane. I'm a vehicle. You have to stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this shit.
Dude, I don't give a fuck if you put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course
What
you
I'm
don't.
gonna do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead, do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I
Pass someone on the
wrong?
right.
Dude, he cut me completely
Go
off.
past someone on the
I
right.
don't
It's
have
that
time to
simple.
stop.
Fuck, you're just an idiot driving. You don't pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he
It's
came in front of
common
me.
sense. You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
An idiot. I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.
Bike lane. There's a bike lane right here. You're parked in the middle of it. What's that?
Next time, you just pull up to the window and say something. Don't knock on my shit.
Why are you endangering people's
Knock
lives with
on
your...
my shit.
This machine kills
Don't
40,000
knock on
people.
my shit.
Why is misogyny called for in this situation?
Let me tell you something. Before you with somebody, you better ask yourself what they're going through.
So what about you with bicycle traffic? This is a piece of infrastructure designed to save the lives of human beings. You block it?
Look, getting ready to move my car, so you better leave me the
I really appreciate you not breaking the law. That's a basic expectation
I'm
of
moving
living
my
in
car.
Good.
So leave me the alone.
Get on it. Let's go. Are you experiencing some toxic masculinity right now, sir?
No, no.
Your dog's very cute, sir.
There's a camera on here. I got that, bro. Don't do Papa Willies on the street, bro. That's dumb, bro. That's dumb, bro. That's dumb, bro. That's your life, dummy.
Dumb.
Come over here and clip your motherfucker. That's stupid, bro. That's just dumb,
Right,
bro.
because you're dumb,
That's
goofball.
just dumb, bro. To do a Papa Willie in front, that's dumb, bro. Bro, is that dumb, bro?
So goofy.
It's dumb, ain't it, bro? Your boy knows it's dumb. He ain't doing it. He ain't doing it. Look, goofy white boy. Goofy boy.
Filho da puta! Desgastado! Viado! Porra! Caralho! Quer me matar, porra? Viado!
Jasny klin. Kurwa. O jest. O. Kurwa, zapalił mi się pieron. O ja pierdzielę. Dzięki. Gdzieś mi przepaliło chyba instalację, kurde. O kurde. Nie, to już paliwa nie ma.
Ale szmatać się, widzisz? Postaw go. Masz rękawice? Postaw go do góry. O.
Ja pierdolę.
Od turbiny.
No, od turbiny no, na pewno też coś. Tylko mogłem mieć jakiś delikatny gdzieś wyciek, nie? I nie zauważyłem tego.
Kunnen we hier nog wel wandelen met de hond?
Oh ja, tuurlijk. Ik ben alleen...
Van de week is hier wel 3 keer zo'n... een van jullie er langs gekomen met zo'n motor. Het is toch hartstikke gevaarlijk, zo hard.
Ja, het is wel gevaarlijk. Alleen wij hebben daar een stukje land. En een stukje weiland daar. Alleen ik ga soms met mijn vriend hier...
Ja, maar jullie gaan allemaal op en neer, dus dan weet je niet meer waar je moet doen.
Ja, precies.
Dus dat is niet zo...
Ja, nee, hier passen wij ook zeker op. Nee, wij moeten soms naar dat bos gaan crossen. Alleen, ik weet niet hoe we anders er kunnen komen, eerlijk gezegd. Alleen, wij letten zeker op hoor, mevrouw. Dit is de crosspad.
Are you turning? Then why are you next to me? No, I'm giving myself space. Don't get next to me. I'm going straight. Oh, don't do that. That's not a good idea. Get that middle finger all over the internet. Oh, and you're on your phone too, I get it. Why are you in the intersection? Well, you stay back there until you can go. Oh, you really? That's really original. How about I just wait here? Apologize though, so move. What are y'all doing?
It's the motorcycle!
You want to rev it?
No, thank you.
No?
Wait a minute, sir. I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Come on. Give it one of those. There you go.
Can I do it?
Do it. Just a little bit. Just. There you go.
You
want to do it? There you go. You let her go.
Please